All right, good evening, everyone. So basically, I'm going to be talking about what I think personally is going to happen here in the next 2 to 3 weeks or so, especially coming up in April. There's been some more news, especially on the SPY. I saw it hit my newsfeed earlier today, talking about marijuana businesses could list on U.S. stock exchange, like the Nasdaq in New York, under the new bipartisan congressional bill. Pretty much, if y'all remember back a few months ago, Trump was, reclassifying marijuana as a Schedule 3 drug. And a lot of these stocks that were related to THC slash, marijuana, whatever you want to call it, CBD, they just started going up crazy. So I do have a list of stocks that I would like y'all to look at, but I do have one personally that I am looking at, and it's called Acon. So just to show you, I'm not BSing y'all. Classified, Schedule 1 to Schedule 3 right here back in December 18th. More news about it December 29th. And then there was also more news, during January, that also stuck out. And I'll show you what happened with Acon. So remember, right around here, this is when they started talking about it, started going crazy in price action. Also, same right around here. So yeah, pretty much. And then also, I do want to show y'all something that I have found with Acon that I thought was pretty interesting. So pretty much, Acon is a penny stock. If you watch Wolf of Wall Street, you know how these penny stocks work. Essentially, and then they also had a lot of stock splits. So the charts I'm about to show you, the price doesn't, match with what's happening today because of the splits. But anyways, you have this effect SEC order back in 2024, January 29th, right? And yeah, let me show you what happened. So I'm going to show you the first filing with Acon back in January 29th of 2024. This effect SEC order, and let me show you what happened. Just to let you know, this is a penny stock. Stock splits are a big thing here. And if you watch Wolf of Wall Street, you'll understand what I'm talking about. But check this out. Yeah, so like I said, stock split, anyways, check this out. January, 29th, which was right around here, and then went parabolic the next day. Same effect, SEC order. September 29th, 2025. All right? Watch. Look, the 29th right here, look at what happened October 1st. Ran 100+%. Are you getting the pattern here? Okay? Now, I wanted to show y'all, yes, I have profited off of Acon from those filings and understanding the chart and what is going on in the market. Remember, the market follows in themes. I think, the next theme may be marijuana stock for a quick second, from what I've just shown y'all. But yeah, I've made over $4,500 just off of this one company, just off of those certain filings and just off of certain, accumulating shares. And right now, I think I have like 8 to 10,000 shares that I've accumulated in the last few weeks. But once this news hits for Acon, or that filing hits, that should be the day. But yeah, anyways, come join us at stockships.com and, see more information like this. And I will see y'all there.